Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you a little bit of a little trick I learned. These little poker tools that you get 2 in a pack at Dollar Tree work great. Cutting the foam board, after you made the circle for the little door, it cuts right through it. And it's a lot easier to control. I mean, I made the X. And you most certainly can use scissors, which I probably will for some of it, but this will give you a good guide. And I'm not going to do the whole cutout of the whole bird house. I just wanted to show you alternatives to using scissors. Look at that. So anyway, I'm going to cut all the pieces out and I'll be right back. And it also gives you the opportunity to tear that old paper out of the parts you're going to be working on. Because I don't like to use that paper part. It always makes it look messy. So I tear off the one side. Do not take the backing off of the roof part. I repeat, do not take the backing off of the roof part. So now I'm going to have to glue that together to make the roof work. But I will get it together. Birdhouse roof is not that straight, or the front of it, but it don't matter. I'll figure out how to get it together and make it look like a birdhouse. Okay guys, so I have decoupaged most of the parts, and what you need to do from here is decoupage all the sides. I got this Mod Podge at the Dollar Tree, and I got this tissue paper at the Dollar Tree. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to demonstrate a little bit. And I have another video that shows how to Mod Podge. If you want to see it, I'll put it in the description down below. So you basically just put Mod Podge on your piece that you want to decoupage. And you take your tissue paper. I like to do it this way. Turn it over on the wrong side. This is the sides of it, of the birdhouse. I'll probably need to cut some of it. I just mashed it into it to get it started. And then you just lift it up, put some more Mod Podge down. This way you can keep the wrinkles out of it. And you just continue. And then when you get it all done, you put a coat of Mod Podge on top and on the sides, and then it'll be all shiny, and that's how you Mod Podge. So I'll be right back with all the pieces and we'll try to glue them together. Hello everyone, I'm back. I've got all the pieces decoupaged and ready to be glued together. I got one more thing to do to this front. I made this little home, tweet home. Get it, birdhouse. I did the rope around the front that I braided. I will have a video link to the video I just made on how to braid the rope if you want to see that one. And I've got this little piece I'm going to glue onto the front, the bird perch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thumbtack, I'm going to push it through here off of it. Then I'm going to put through, then I'm going to glue a little glue on the back of it. And that way, it won't fall out. Once I got it started. Make sure I'm in camera here. So, maybe I'll push it over just a little bit. And put a little glue on the back. That way when I glue the pieces together, I won't have to worry about it falling off. Maybe. If it does, then I'll just glue it from the front. I might wait and put the perch on after I glue it together. That way we won't have to worry about it. Let's hope this glues together easy. Let's see, that's the base. And the good thing about after you Mod Podge it, you can manipulate it a little bit so it's flatter. Uh-oh, glued to my base. I forgot to let dry. Oh, come on. Okay. Fighting with glue strings this morning. Alright, so we're going to put the base down. And then we got the sides. And we got the front. Let's see, should we do it that way? Or that way? I think we'll do it that way. I want to make sure that it's on the base right before I start gluing it down. And this is not going to be easy. Okay. So about right there. I hope I stay in frame, but it's not going to be easy considering how hard it is to glue all this together. Now let's see, I want to keep these this way. Right way. Okay. Taken me forever to get this birdhouse made because I'm having to stop and do this and that, and I couldn't hit nothing. Now front. Okay. Let me see what I want to do here. Okay. Like I said, this is kind of big, so it's hard to get it all in screen and we're getting there. Burnt my finger. Got glue strings everywhere. I gotta hold it down here at the bottom. Alright, now we got the top. And because I broke it, I'm going to have to manipulate it a bit. But we'll get it. Let's see what I'm going to do about that fall apart. It's kind of a little crooked too, but let's see. Hope I don't run out of hot glue right now, which I'm probably going to. Don't that always happen? I'm missing the whole thing, but we'll figure it out. Now I've just got to hold it till it dries a little bit. And the best part about this is, now that you have the template, you can make all kinds of pretty birdhouses, different colors. You could paint them, you can decoupage them like I did with, what's the stuff I call? Tissue paper. So this is what it looks like. And I will show you better pictures in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and glue the perch on. And of course this is not a real birdhouse, and you couldn't put it outside because of the weather. I mean, maybe you could if you varnished it really, really well, but more than likely it'd be better as a decoration in the house. It's not perfect because I made the template up in my head as I went along, so of course it's a little crooked, but I still think it's cute. And I'll show you a better picture of it setting up in just a second. Be right back. So if you like my project, give me a thumbs up. And go check out everyone else on the playlist. And check out Antoinette's channel. from Simple Yet Chic and CRAFTER'S Stash.